LISUN is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, this is Daisy. Let me introduce to you the installation and use of the JL-34 swing pipe water spray test equipment. The following is the video catalog. 1. Hardware installation. 2. IPX3 IPX4 waterproof test. 3. Maintenance. Please check the packing list when you receive the shipment. The equipment and all accessories are in a large wooden box. Please open the box and carefully take out the equipment and accessories. Accessories include 2 cabinets, turntable, swing pipes. LISUN can configure different sizes of swing pipes for you according to your requirements. Waterproof plug, hose, strap. There is a small accessory box on the side of the cabinet. There is a hexagon socket screwdriver, wrench for replacing the filter, swing pipe gaskets, several hexagon socket screws, spare filters, needles, blocks for IPX3 testing, metal wire for dredging the needles. There is also a plastic bag in the package that contains a CD, calibrate certificates, and guarantee cards. There are user manual, operation video, and related standards in the CD. Place the 2 vertical cabinets and the turntable according to the position shown in the figure. Then prepare to install the swing pipe. Put the 2 gaskets into the swing pipe connecting part of the cabinets. Only one end of the swing pipe has water inlet. Install this end to the cabinet with a water outlet. Make sure that the direction of the swing pipe is the same as the direction of the angle dial pointer. Fix the swing pipe using the screws. Fix the other end in the same way. After adjusting the positions of the 2 cabinets, screw down the foot cup screws under the cabinets to fix the cabinets. If you need to use other sizes of swing pipes, install the swing pipes in the same way after readjusting the cabinet position. This is the power cord of the device. Swing pipe equipment needs 220 volts 50 Hz power supply. Voltage and frequency can also be customized. This is the power cord of sample. You can connect the correct power supply according to your sample. The other cabinet has the cable for the water pump. Plug the cable to the first cabinet. Plug the turntable cable to the cabinet 2. Waterproof plug is used to connect the sample. Put the plug on the turntable to connect the sample. Connect the other end to the cabinet junction box. The turntable will change the direction of rotation automatically. So don't worry about the sample cable. This is the water inlet of the water tank. Connect it to the tap water with the hose directly. Keep the valve open. This is the water outlet. Keep the valve normally closed. The IPX4 waterproof test requires all the needles on the entire swing pipe. The water sprays within the range of 180 degrees. The IPX3 level waterproof test requires the needles within the range of 60 degrees on both sides of the pipe center. The water sprays within the range of 120 degrees. Turn on the power supply of the device. Enter the main interface of the touchscreen program. First select the waterproof level, IPX3 or IPX4. Click Manual Picture. The manual interface is used for adjustment and checking all the functions of the equipment. Click Pump switch and the pump starts to work. No need to adjust the water pressure. Adjust the water flow to the required values of the standard. 4.3 liter per minute for IPX4. 2.9 liter per minute for IPX3. After the adjustment, you can click to turn off the pump switch. Click swinging tube. Turn the pipe to the position shown in the figure. Be careful and don't hit the turntable when you turn the pipe. Then you can install the needles or the blocks according to the waterproof level that you choose. Try other functions. Click Sample Socket to turn on the sample. Click Turntable or Turntable Inversion to turn the turntable. Back to the main interface. Click Test Parameters. Set the total test time. Set the swing angle of the swing pipe. The upper limit is 350 degrees. The rotation speed of the turntable does not need to be modified. Set the sample on and sample off time. If you need the sample to be kept on during the measurement, you can just set sample on time same as test time. Click 0 Reset to clear the test history and prepare to start a new measurement. Click Return to 0 to turn the swing pipe back to the 0 degree position. Click Sample Power Supply to connect the sample power supply. Click Test Start to start the test. After the test, the swing pipe will automatically return to the 0 degree position. After the equipment is used for a very long time, the water tank may become dirty. You need to empty the water tank. Clean the inside of the water tank. And then add clean water. The needles are thin, so the water enters the swing pipe after passing through the filter. Depending on the water quality, the filter element needs to be replaced regularly. We have a special wrench and 2 spare filter elements. You can also buy suitable filter elements from the local market. The needles may also be blocked even if a filter is used. In case of blockage, remove the corresponding needles. You can use the metal wire provided by LISUN to poke the dirt out. You can also use an air compressor to blow out the dirt blocking the needle. Thanks for watching.